In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video to a WordPress post. And for the purpose of this example, I would like to add a YouTube video just under the first paragraph, somewhere here. So the steps are as follows. Let's log into WordPress dashboard, then go to posts, click on all posts, then select the post in question. In my case, is this one, and then click on edit. Once the block editor loads, move the cursor between the both paragraphs, and you should see this option, add block. In case you don't see it, you can just place the cursor at the end of the first paragraph and then press enter. Then right here you have an option to just add a block. So let's click on add block, then select YouTube, and then let's go to YouTube and just copy the full URL for the video that you wish to add. In my case, I'll just take one of my videos and copy the URL and paste it right here. Then press embed. Then you also have an option to add caption, test caption. And once it's all done, just press update. Now let me go back to the website and refresh it, and the video should be embedded right here. Now, in case you wish to move the video up or down on your page, it's actually very easy. Let's go back to WordPress editor and then highlight the YouTube block. And there's an option to either move it down or move it all the way up, just under the title. And let's just save it right here. Once again, refresh the page, and the video is displayed right under the page title. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.